Welcome learners. In today's video we will learn about research topics. Number 1, human resource management. Number 2, banking research topics. Number 3, coronavirus and COVID-19 research topics. Number 4, supply chain management research topics. Number 5, economics topics. Number 6, entrepreneurship research topics. Number 7, accounting research related topics. Number 8, marketing related research topic. Number 9, finance related research topic. And number 10, revolution related research topics. So let's start this information video. Welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. Learners, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press on bell icon to get latest informative videos notification easily. So learners, in this video I will share 10 research topics related to 10 research areas. So let's start this video without wasting any further more time. So topic number 6 which I will share with you is green entrepreneurship. So I will share some topics related to green entrepreneurship which will help you in getting a research idea related to this field. If you are unable to select your area of interest or you are struggling to find a good topic, then this will help you a lot. Let's go. So I have searched some topics related to green entrepreneurship. As you can see in my TV screen, there is one article. It's published in 2021, latest article it is, and its main topic is on green entrepreneurship, orientation and environmental performance. A good topic. If I move down, there is green entrepreneurship opportunities topic and challenges which are related to green entrepreneurship. If I scroll down a little more, then there is entrepreneurship education challenges to green transformation. Another good topic related to education and entrepreneurship. Next, if you go down, there is another entrepreneurship education and green entrepreneur behavior research topic. If you want to study entrepreneurial behavior, then this topic is good for you. Then if I go down, there is more topic to entrepreneurship education, green entrepreneurial mindset. Then there is sustainable entrepreneurship and lots of more. If I go more down, then there is a related searches heading. If I go down, you will see there are so many topics related to green entrepreneurship. Basically, these are the main areas, domain in green entrepreneurship. You can select any one of them. The selection criteria is simple. You have to select your area of interest from all of these, one of these. If you have your area of interest, for example, let's take example. Your area of interest is on green entrepreneurship economy. Then click here and see articles, read them, and make it your base paper and start your research. So I will move further. Here I started with impact of green entrepreneurship, so it's showing me different topics related to green entrepreneurship with different contexts. You can select any one of them easily. If I click here next, it will take me to the next page, and there you will see there are tons of topics. All are latest topics and related to green entrepreneurship. So with this, I will also share an impact factor journal with you. This impact factor journal's impact factor is 1.643 and its name is Entrepreneurship Research Journal. Here you can find, you have to go on latest issue, and you will find latest articles published in this journal which are related to entrepreneurship. As you can see in front of your screen, yes, so many topics you can see. You can also get idea about how what kind of research is going on entrepreneurship field as well from this journal. So it's very beneficial. If you click on issues, it will give you volumes for issue 1 to find latest article of 2021, and you will find all topics there. So learners, with this I will move to my next topic, number 7. Now I will share with you topic number 7, which is green accounting. So in Google Scholar I go and I search green accounting, and I found lots of topics which I will about to share with you. The first topic which I will share with you is related to corporate social responsibility and green accounting. Second is related to Islamic finance and green accounting. Next is green accounting and related to probabilities. If you scroll down, you will see more topics related to green accounting. There is a topic green accounting related to flow cost accounting, another good topic. So you can select any topic from out of these which I am sharing with you. If I click on next, it will show us more topics, so you can select any one of topic. Major thing is that what is your area of interest in green accounting or in accounting field. Then read any of these articles and make them your base paper and start your research work simply. If I move to another page, I search impact of green accounting. So there are some topics related to impact of green accounting. As you can see in front of the screen, impact of environmental accounting, another good topic. You can work on them. In fact, you can select any one of them. These all are latest research topics, so you can select any one of them. These are basically research topic ideas from which you can choose easily. So now I will share some impact factor journals with you. First impact factor journal which I will share with you is Accounting Horizons. One more thing, if you don't know how to search impact factor journals from the website Web of Science, if you don't know how to search if you don't know how to search impact factor journals from website Web of Science, then don't worry, I have already made a complete video on it, and I will give its link under the video description, so you can easily go there, watch that video and learn how to search good quality high impact factor journals for free. So first I will share was Accounting Horizons. I will click here on view profile. Its impact factor journal is 1.377 as you can see. And next journal which I will share you, basically I will share two journals with you. Second journal which I will share you is Accounting Review, and impact factor is 4.562, a high impact factor journal of accounting. So here we are. This impact factor journal, you can search here as well any topic you want. You can select any one of topics as from all of these, because they are latest new topics. You can easily select them, easily read them if they are going to your interest and going to your area of interest. Then select any one of them and make a base paper and start your research. These all are related to accounting. As you can see, there are tons of topics, different topics and different scenarios, audit committees, financial reporting quality. There are so many topics from which you can select easily. Accounting, estimate, disclosures, you can select any one of them. Now we'll move to second accounting journal, which I mentioned earlier, the Accounting Review. So here you can see the most read articles, these topic articles, and most cited articles. So you can also select from them easily. Otherwise, you can go to view this issue, which will show the latest articles published in 2021 issue. So there are so many articles from which you can easily select your research topics. And there was one more thing I would like to share, this journal which I showed you earlier on. Its name is Accounting Horizons. If you want to find latest topics from here, there it is, Accounting Horizons. If you find latest topics on it, then you have to go to view this issue. It will also show you articles published in this journal, from which you can select easily your topic if you are accounting student, if you are looking for topic related to accounting, field of accounting. So now I will move to my next topic, which is topic number 8. Now I will share with you topic number 8, which is green marketing. I have found some topics, some articles related to green marketing, which are as follows. Number 1 topic is green marketing as environmental practice. Plus this variable is examining the relationship of green marketing, or I should say green satisfaction and green loyalty in context of business context. So if you want to examine green marketing impact on green satisfaction or on green loyalty in business sector, then you can select this study for your base paper or for your research or for your thesis. Next study we have is green marketing in emerging Asia. If you belong to Asia, you want to study Asian market, then you can conduct this study. Next we have is optimal financing strategy in a capital constrained supply chain with retailer green marketing efforts. So if you are interested in studying related green marketing efforts, then you can conduct this study. Next study is efforts of environmental orientation, green marketing mix and social capital on the competitive advantage of real estate developers in Bali. So if you are interested in studying green marketing mix, if you are a marketing student, you should have studied marketing mix. So here we have green marketing mix. If you are interested in studying green marketing mix, then you can select this article and start your research. Next we have a very unique and very good topic because it has a mediator. So it's where studies basically perceive firm authority and brand loyalty, the mediating role of corporate social responsibility and perceived green marketing. Basically it has two mediators, so you can change any one of them, or you can select green marketing or you can select corporate social responsibility, and you can conduct your study on this topic. Next, investigating green marketing orientational practices among green small and medium enterprises. So another green marketing related research topic which you can select. Next we have impact of green marketing strategies on entrepreneurship in medicine hubs. So if you are a medical student or you are studying or you have interest in marketing strategies, then you can conduct your study on green marketing strategies, as it's a new topic, so you can find material on it as well. So next then I will find some more interesting topic related to green marketing. As you can see, there is one of them: consumer attitudes and purchasing interests of coffee shop and implement green marketing and non-green marketing in Indonesia. So if you want to study a comparison, or you want to compare green marketing and non-green marketing, so it's a very good topic. So you want to conduct a comparative study in which you are comparing green and non-green marketing, then you can select this topic as your main research. Then we have green purchase intention, another new topic, green marketing promotion. Then we have green marketing research. If you want to study green marketing research from 1977 to 2020, then we have a study on green products and green marketing. If you are interested in, then consumer relationship with green marketing, how consumer attitude relates with green marketing, how green marketing changes the consumer attitude. So you can conduct this study as well. Then there is a green marketing benefit and challenges, very interesting. Then there is green marketing strategies and green purchase behavior, another good study. And this study is conducted in Indonesia, so you can conduct this study in your own homeland, in your own country. If I click on next, then I will have some more interesting related topics. As you can see in front of your screen, there are tons of topics, hundreds of topics, of which you can choose any topic for your research paper, for your thesis work. Next, if I click on search bar, then it will give me more topics, more research domains related to green marketing, which are such as green marketing strategies, green marketing mix, green marketing practices, green concept, green marketing and consumer behavior, and green marketing impact, and green marketing tool as well. So if you're interested in any one of the domain, just do one thing, click on it and start reading articles related to that domain. As I have done in front of you, you can see there are plenty of green marketing tools and green marketing related research. Next I have searched impact of green marketing and consumer behavior as a variable, as a relationship, as impact of green marketing on consumer behavior. So I have some of these topics As you can see, there are tons of topics. As first topic is green consumer behavior among younger millionaires. Then there is green marketing in emerging Asia, green marketing, consumer behavior, green marketing, social corporate social responsibility. Then there is marketing strategy, consumer behavior, and marketing analytics. The future is bright. Another good topic you can select and work on, and there are plenty of topics and articles you can find here. If I click here, so I'll move on. So now I will share our impact factor journal, which is related to marketing field. Its name is Journal of Marketing, and its impact factor is 7.821, a very high impact factor journal. From this journal you can find hundreds of variety and quality research papers, from which you can select any one of them and conduct your study. So if I click on research article, latest articles, it will show you the latest articles. If I click on most read, it will show the most read articles in this journal. As you can see, then most cited articles. If I click, then trending on Alrometric, you can see there's tons of topics you can select here and conduct your study. So now I hope you have got plenty of research ideas related to marketing. Now I will move to next topic. Now learners, I will share topic number 9, which is green finance. As you can see, there are plenty of topics in front of you. If I click here, it will give me more green finance domains. As you can see, you can select any one of them. Just keep one thing in mind when you are selecting your domain, that it should be related to your area of interest. Okay, if your area of interest is green finance banking, then click here and start reading articles related to green finance banking. So if you move forward, there is some topics related to green finance and climate change, then green finance and restructuring. If your interest is in corporate restructuring, then you can select this topic. Then there is corporate finance or green finance or bank. If your interest is in banking and finance, then you can go for this topic as it's related to banking and finance. And there is limits of green finance. If your interest is in financing, then this topic is for you. Then there is green finance development in Bangladesh, the role of private commercial banks. So if your interest is in banking, okay, if you want to conduct a comparative study, like you are comparing conventional banks with non-conventional banks or Islamic banks with non-Islamic banks, then this topic is for you. You can make these changes as well in this study, and you can conduct this study like green finance development in your own country, like India, Pakistan, USA, etc. Then there is green innovation and finance in Asia. You can change into Asia and non-Asian countries. Next is research on influence of computer technology on industrial upgrading and cooperative evolution of environmental protection fiscal policy from green finance. This topic is related to pure finance field. If your interest is in finance, then go for this. Then there is political connections with green finance. This topic is basically a mixture of political connections, finance, green finance, and financial performance. If you have interest in any one of these, then you can go for this study. Then there is green bond finance. If your interest is in bond financing, then this topic is for you. You can select this topic for your base paper and you can conduct your study on it. Then there is another topic related to bond financing. Then there are more topics, domains which you can select from them easily. Let's move forward. Next is impact of green finance topic domain, which I searched. So there are topics related to green finance. You can select any one of them. Now I will share some impact factor journals which are searched from Web of Science. If you don't know how to search impact factor journal from Web of Science, then there is no need to worry. I have made a video on it and I will give its link in description below. So you have to watch this video till end and then go watch that video how to find impact factor journals from Web of Science. Then there is a journal, the Journal of Finance, one of the top finance journals in finance, because its impact factor is 6.813. If you scroll down, you will see two options: most recent and most cited articles. If you click on most recent, it will give you most recent articles published in this journal, which are all related to finance. If your interest is in cash flow and discount rate, then you can select this topic. If your we can say that if your interest is on corporate finance side or financial management, then you can go for this topic. Then there is banking on deposits. Again, if your interest is on banking, then you can go for this topic. Then systematic risk and first sales spillover. If your interest is on financial risk management, FRM, then you can work on this topic. Then there are plenty of topics from which you can select. There are issues as well from where you can select. So learners, now I will share the last topic of this video, which is topic number 10, and the topic is Green Revolution. So here's first topic which I will share is related to Green Revolution and electronic displays. Then there is Green Revolution in Sahara Africa. Then there are then there is optimizing blockchain based smart grid auctions related to Green Revolution, another topic. And then there are plenty of topics from which you can select. And there is examining the effects of Green Revolution, another good topic you can select. There are plenty of topics, plus there are plenty of different domains related to Green Revolution. If I click here, it will provide more topics related to Green Revolution, such as Green Revolution environmental impacts, Green Revolution routes, etc. If I move ahead, then there is impact of Green Revolution. If I search here, it will show me the studies related to the impact of Green Revolution. There are plenty of studies from which you can select any one of them if it matches your area of interest. So learners, today's video was this. I hope you liked it. In this video, basically I shared 10 research domains, 10 research areas. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then don't forget to press the like button of my video. And if you want more informative videos like this, if you want to watch more videos, then subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell button so you can get notification of the latest videos easily.